Have you noticed that your PC or laptop no longer feels as fast as it used to, even though it is not that old? Many users assume they need a new computer, but the real issue is often the storage device. Flash-based storage devices, such as SSDs or NVMEs, among others, may slow down over time and become the bottleneck of the entire system, regardless of intensity of use or if they are connected internally or externally. The good news is, you often do not need a new SSD nor a new PC. We will show you how easy it is to restore your disk's original read performance with just a single flash refresh run. To demonstrate the difference, we will use the SpeedTest app to perform a comparative speed measurement before and after flash refresh. The SpeedTest app is available throughout all editions of HDClone. We'll choose the disk, limit the values to linear read, and set the test time to 5 seconds. For this video, we are keeping the test as short as possible. You are welcome to run it with other settings as well, particularly to measure IOPS. Now we know the current read speed for this device, which for this type of disk is on the low side. Let's refresh the disk with the FlashRefresh app. FlashRefresh generally prevents the data from aging, which is why we recommend refreshing the entire disk. By activating Smart Refresh, only the written areas of the disk are refreshed. The result is generally similar to refreshing all areas, yet it can significantly shave time off of the flash refresh process, depending on the data volume on the disk. Once you have chosen your settings, click Start to begin refreshing the disk.
A few moments later.
Now that flash refresh is finished, we will return to the SpeedTest app. For an accurate comparison, we will choose the exact same settings as in the first speed test. Here we have the read performance result after running flash refresh. And again, this is the result from before. Here we can clearly see the improvement that just a single flash refresh run made in this disk's performance. The refreshed disk once again runs at its full speed.